Good morning folks, it's Prepper Al here again, and today I'm going to show you how to make a rocket stove out of everyday items. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer here, the other YouTuber I follow, Survival Lily, she kind of beat me to this. I watched some of her channels the other day and she kind of did the same thing with what is a kitchen cutlery holder for when you wash your cutlery and you let them sit and dry in one of these. However, just there you go, it's one of them. However, what she did, she really pimped hers out. She's got access to awesome industrial equipment, and she had spacers and bolts and clamps and oh yeah, she really went to town on it. However, I'm just going to make a very straight to the point rocket stove. So you've got your cutlery dryer strainer thing, okay, and what I also did was I took an old army mace tin, army cooker should I say, cut out the centre piece with my bolt cutters, so I had that, and then what I'll do is I'll use that as a spacer like this on the top, just like that, and then that way I can put my pot on top, just like that. So the idea is you cut a hole in the middle with your bolts or a very sharp knife, a bolt cutter or a sharp knife, be very careful, and you shove some paper in there, some twigs, etc, etc, like these. Today I'm going to use shredded paper, just like that, and then the idea is you get your fire on the go in here. The holes suck the oxygen in and the heat goes up through the hole and through your mess tin or your cooker and heats the pot. And today I'm just going to boil water. That's all I'm doing today, just boiling water. So I'm going to get stuck into it, folks. Alright, let's get some paper in here. Just going to shove that in there good. Yeah, I'm a little bit messy today. I really just want to get stuck into it. Okay, just like that. There we go. So I shove a few just dried twigs from trees, bushes that you find around the garden. That's all I'm using today. Straight to the point. Nah, you could also, and as you can feed it in from this end, however, you could quickly take the pot off, then shove some more in there, which is probably what I'll do. There we go, just like that. Right, so I'm going to give this a bash. Get some matches on the rope, so I'm going to just turn it round towards me to start with. Right, big matches, big long matches. Oh, first time, no way. And just leave it in there, stick the match in there, be careful, turn it around, and can you see that, folks? There we go. That'll burn away now. So quite simple, just a normal household pot, obviously, with the lid on, my army cooker with the centre piece cut out, placed on top of the strainer. Now what I had to do is I had to sort of squash the top here, just to sort of make it more of an oval shape so I could fit that army cooker on there perfectly. Cut a hole in the bottom here to shove more stuff in, your paper and that, but I'll just go top heavy. And look at that wee fire. Now this is the first time I've actually ever made a rocket stove. I'm quite impressed with that. Look at that flame, look at that fire go. Now this is a quick way of boiling water, cooking your beans and sausages, or even, it's like a wee space heater. You know what I mean? I am very impressed with that. An old army cooker, an old strainer, I had this in a hut for years, and I said I kept it because I said to myself I could do something with that. And then I saw lots of videos for rocket stoves. I said I wonder if that'll happen, and then Survival Lily beat me to it. And that's the point, folks. If you've got a good idea, get a video on the go and share it before somebody beats you to it. I'm raging. Right, so I'm going to shove some more sticks in here. Oh, but remember, like in my other videos I showed you, always just persevere. Don't be shy. Just keep adding some more paper and water in there. Water? Paper and matches. Just get it going. You've got to use the egg carton as well. So this is another practice makes perfect idea, eh? Look at that. It starts boiling quite easy. Look at that. I think it's a little bit airy here for me actually. Yeah, the curse of my back garden. But look at it go. There we go. A couple of big twigs in there, that'll give it something to feed on. There we go. Keep feeding it. Feed the beast. Don't be shy. Let it do its thing. Yeah, just even stick them through the holes. Ha ha ha. Yes. Oh, is it smoking out there? I've got to get in the big boys now, the cardboard. And again, like in my other videos, yeah, the magic biscuits and stuff like that. Don't worry if it goes out. That's what it's all about, it's persevering. Practice makes perfect. Ideally, you don't want to be using a lot of matches, because matches are vital. But hey, I just want to get this going properly. I just want to practice and make it happen. I'm expecting once that cardboard starts burning, like in my other videos, my prepper cooking video, and I used the cardboard. Yeah, there we go. Absolutely cracking. Never no burn yourselves, folks. See that? Look at that, look at that. Cardboard egg cartons. These are quickly turning into my favourites. Yes, please. I'm not happy the fact that I've had to use 3 matches, but let's practice. Oh yes, baby, yes. Awesome. And you go, son. You too. Hashtag you too. Oh no. Oh, hot, hot. Right, anyway. See, there's still flames in there. There is still flames. I'm thinking once you practice more with this small rocket stove, I think it's better to make a larger rocket stove so you've got more access to all the stuff, so you can just shove everything in as quickly as possible. So remember folks, this is the first time I've did this too, just to practice. It's all practice, you know. You're not going to be a prepper survivalist expert overnight. I'm still learning every day. I'm going to hold this up and then I'm going to try and get out spark one more time. This is it. I'm just going to bung it up, because that's what other folk who use rocket stoves do. They just bung it up, shove as much stuff in there as they can. The water's warm, it's quite warm actually, so it's not that far away from boiling. Right. Oh, see, it's just went on its own. Haha, because there's flames in there. Just feed the beast, folks, feed the beast. Let it do its thing. Don't panic if the flames go out. Feed the beast. Now once you get your own technique, your own fire starting technique and your materials, just keeping the fire going. That's great. I'm really happy with that actually. I know the fire sort of stopped and started, you know, but I didn't use any more matches that time. I just shoved as much dry stuff, twigs, wood, paper, cardboard in as I could, and the flames, the heat, let's say, in the bottom just did its own business, you know. I'm very happy with that. I have a funny feeling that I think the spacer is maybe a bit too high, or it's a bit too wide, or for the pot, so the flames aren't, you know, as intense in the bottom of the pot as I would like. So a bit of modification there, I think. So I'll feed some in there. No, I'm not. Oh, and I just burnt myself. Yeah, that's it, folks. Oh, I will. In the top, in the top. Ah, oh, you bugger. It's still burning away though. I've got a couple of big twigs in there actually. And the idea is once you get your, oh yeah, here we go, once you get them going, you're in business. As I said folks in other videos, I don't like to edit videos. I don't like to cut away and then go back to it. I like you to see it from start to finish. I like people to see the mishaps, the mistakes, like, oh no, bugger, I have to start again, oh sugar, the fire's went out. And then you could see me persevering, because that's what you're going to have to do. In a survival, prepper, grid down situation, you have to persevere folks. You can't just give up. Let me check on this water. Yeah, there we go, it's boiling away. Right, we're nearly hitting the 15-minute mark, however, I am allowed to make longer videos now. I've got my account on YouTube verified, etc, etc. I just want you to just see that. Look at this, cardboard egg cartons. Oh, seriously, collect your egg cartons. They got a fire going. Awesome. It's just a real dry but also a tough material. Oh yeah, I'm pleased with that. I'm pleased with that. Woke up on a Saturday morning raging that Survival Willy beat me to it, and I've made a more simple, straightforward version of Survival Willy's rocket stove. Not that I'm competing with you, Survival Willy, just, you wee bugger, you beat me to it. And again, even if you're not cooking food or boiling water, that's a wee fire, that's a wee heater on the go. I would like my heating your home video, prepper heating your home. Yeah, I could put that in the chimney and use that as the actual chimney. See that? Just blow on it gently to get the flames going again. Right folks, the water is boiling and steaming away. Proof's in the pudding. There you go. Yeah, so there's your water. Maybe it's been filtered and then it's been boiled, so which means it's purified, and then that's your drinking water for a hot cup of tea, your coffee, your hot chocolate. Now there you go. Now the fire is getting the maximum amount of oxygen. Look at that. That's what I mean when you could turn that into a little heater rather than cooking food or boiling water. Yeah. That's the wife at the back door. I wonder if she's got the fried eggs sorted. Chance would be a thing. That's why I'm a survivalist. Right folks, just to recap, okay. Kitchen cutlery, drainer, strainer thing. An old army cooker with the centrepiece cut out. There you go. See? Your pot with your lid, obviously. Your matches, shredded paper, but also, I've used all that egg carton, and egg cartons are great. And just get it going. Right folks, a longer video than usual. I hope you've learned something new. I certainly have. I've learned a few new things today about persevering, and maybe have to modify it a little bit, but you know what, it will do. It will do. So folks, have a look about your home, but also just go onto YouTube and type in rocket stoves. There's lots of YouTubers out there who make fantastic rocket stoves out of everyday items, out of bricks, cinder blocks, etc, mono blocks, you name it. But this is what you call a wee rocket stove, and yeah, this is my new toy. Right, Prepper Al here, signing off, and thank you once again for tuning in. And remember, subscribe, come on, let's get a look at my other videos. Right, bye bye.